join us on our road trip to Mahikeng. During the recent June school holidays, we decided to go visit my dad, the kids' granddad. My sister and I decided to pack the kids, get in the car, and just drive. So this is it, our journey. We started off from my place, and here we are driving to go meet up with my sister. The kids were really having some fun here, and yeah, it was just so nice to get away from the city and make our way to the tranquil, quiet, laid-back place that is Mahikeng. If any of you know the Northwest Province, you know that in terms of pace, it doesn't match up to Gauteng. So yeah, here we are at my sister's place waiting for her to come out. We are patiently waiting in her truck because she is the designated driver. Really appreciated that, because wow, it's a 3-hour journey, and she said she would drive, and she has the right vehicle for it, so it was perfect. You'll see Kosi there hiding his face. My son and the camera do not mix. Driving on this road actually reminds me of when I was young. Family trips back to Mahikeng were always so amazing. We'd listen to my parents' favorite music, we'd stop to get some chips and some snacks, and those were really just amazing moments. And I'm so glad that I got to share this moment with my kids, and they got to experience a little bit of my own childhood, and they really enjoyed it.
Yeah, I want to say it's more slow down. Yeah, it looks like
a fairy in my feet.
Stuck in a moment in time.
What I did. Let's see that.
This thing what you get to see.
but I was making Sisimo because she was going to her hometown. These towns are all the same. In case Mahikeng and Mahikeng is just like this. I've been there. So it's like it's all like same skis.
changed a lot.
It did. Oh, the farm. Yeah. And the gate is open. Oh, yeah. He did a new wall. You see? Yeah. It's this one.
Actually, this is
Go in.
This is me again.
It's literally bigger than our look at it's starting a fire there. I want to say hi to the dogs.
I think I should hurt.
Yeah, do it.
Oh, so cute. They're so cute. They're so beautiful. They're like
Someone inside the house now.
Yeah.
so
It's again.
God, next one. I was stage 7. My God. It's I think I'm fine. I see God the guys.
Yeah, that key's opening. Hi.
I should remember
Good morning. It's the next day here. Yeah, my hair. Zara was busy doing my hair. That's why it looks so amazing. So woke up in the morning, decided to pumula stupu and to get the house ready. We had a great sleep, a nice rest after the long drive. My sister was inside making breakfast while I did the cleaning up. This is mornings in the village, quiet, serene, and really laid back. My dad bought this house about 10 years ago, I think. He's retired now, and he always said he wanted to move back to Mahikeng, where he was born when he retired. The plan was to move with my mom, but unfortunately my mom passed away from cancer. But it's so nice to see that my dad's dream of having a quiet farm life after being a diplomat and working so hard for so many years has finally come to fruition. He's literally living the life of his dreams in a village with his animals and now enjoying his grandkids. The kids are so excited to be here. They can't get enough of how much space there is, and they follow Granddad everywhere. He's showing them around, he's showing them the animals, and their favorite has to be the geese. Kosi loves the dog. No one really plays with the dog, but he befriended it, and it's supposed to be vicious, but it became really good friends with him. And I guess he grew up with dogs, so he knows dog language, so to speak. But here the geese going about their business, the guinea fowl. Yeah, it's just such a peaceful place. My dad remarried after my mother's death, and I must say, I really, really love his wife. She's so amazing, so sweet, so kind, and we just felt so at home being here. It was truly amazing.
See it. It's a video. Her place is not far from here.
My dad wanted to go show us his farm. He's got a farm nearby. Just part of that dream that he had growing up. I remember my dad telling me so often how one day I'm going to have a farm. One day I'm going to live in Mahikeng and I'm going to retire there. And it's just so surreal seeing all of that come true. And I think the biggest lesson that I can learn from that is never stop speaking what you want into existence. Never stop dreaming.
Hey, look there. Look there. I went over there. It's an elephant. Oh, it's so big. It's not an elephant. It was an elephant.
So said it's human. Elephant is not. It's an cow.
It's an elephant.
I don't know why it's really.
Why do you call it? No, right, zoo. kena ngihlala ngi-support uyazi.
Mama, can I take a picture? Oh, I don't know which one.
Kanjani? Awal.
Sorry, yeah, no, yeah. Yeah, yes. Let me take a picture of me. Take a
Okay, now you on camera. Where are you? And would you live here? Why?
There's too much. Yeah, bad.
Dung beetles. Yeah. Actually, would you live here? Why? Super poopy everywhere. So do you? Why? You don't like animals? Okay. Oh yeah, that's a very honest answer. Isn't it? Yeah. Why you hide your mommy now? You were feeling it. Yeah. Where are you, Zara?
Hi. I just touched the dog. So, I'm in the farm.
And is it nice?
Yes, in the farm. So, this taking a picture. This goes. I'm making a noise. So, I'm in the farm. Bye.
Bye.
The sheep took the bell. Ma. Ma. The baby one.
The other one. That other one. The one with the
To celebrate our arrival, my dad planned to slaughter a goat for us, and he was busy showing us which goat he'd be slaughtering. Him and Gosi would come here the next day to get the job done. And yeah, the girls were not wanting to be part of that. But yeah, we had a great time just walking around, looking at the animals, and seeing a little bit of farm life.
Metsa boss. Nya tshela go tlhelo boss. Sharp.
Come see, guys. This is the goat today.
Show how you keep your goals. Dating lagi kisah.
Wala yung sakit.
Ah,
Eh, wala
minsan
ko
lang.
wala eh.
Di
Buna
focus
ka.
din na.
Katsipa.
Ke re ja gore ha ba apa.
Gore a sa sokola. Ntse ke ra mphetse ke ra hala ha tsena kwa. Bo feta o e tlhatsa. Before we pa we sela ke tla bo shaka di plastic. Le gona o e tlhatsa pele before go tsena. Bona ke ra se freeze wa ya go sokolisa go tsena.
So yeah.
Before we tsena mo freeze wa tlhatsa go sa pele. Then we push with ya ka di plastic o phase. Gore ha o apara o se go tsaya fela.
No, sorry, ngwana, sorry. Ngwana, sorry.
But you guys mustn't put stones and water. We agree, okay? I'm here with my sister. We just took a walk in the village of Dihatswane. This is the village that my dad stays in the northwest, in Mahikeng. Hello, lady Mahikeng. Yeah, guys. So, if you haven't already, it's so beautiful, fresh air. And yeah, it was just nice to be back at, you know, it was really nice. But yeah, guys, you know, we sometimes forget South Africa is so beautiful. There's so much to see. We lock ourselves there in Joburg.
3, 2, go! And I scream, Mama, stop! 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 I was going to that He said, my name is Odd. I am Odd. I am into the sea of the seas, on the way of the glass. I went to the sky, blooming like a flower. I bloom like a flower that is beautiful.
South Africa truly is a beautiful place. You know, whether you are from here or you're just a tourist, make sure that you check out all our beautiful 9 provinces. There's really so much to see all over. And, you know, I hope you enjoyed yourself with us. I hope you enjoyed your stay in Mahikeng. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you think. And yeah, I'll see you in our next vlog. These are just some of the funny little reels I found in my phone that my kids had taken of themselves because they were on this trip as much as I was. So enjoy and see you next time.